thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 11 a.m. At 10:26 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated another line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Brookville to Manhawkin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hobby Cedars around 10:40 a.m., Barnegat Light around 10:50 a.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Brief but very heavy rain will also occur with this line of severe thunderstorms, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning occurring with this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches. For your safety, immediately move off the beach and seek shelter indoors. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following county: Ocean County, New Jersey.